Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Common and general government related words are used in this dictation. You are requested to kindly like and subscribe the channel for more and better shorthand dictations. Thanks. Start. The federal government has constituted a task force to carry out studies on various policy aspects relating to home remittances. Full stop. The committee is headed by the Deputy Governor of the State Bank and consists of 6 experts drawn from the banking and economic planning sectors. Full stop. The terms of reference for the body are fairly comprehensive. Full stop. Among other things, they include preparation of estimates of the present pattern of remittances and forecasts of future trends and proposals for increasing their flow in the coming days. Full stop. The task force has also been charged with considering institutional mechanisms for directing immigrants' saving into desirable investment channels and suggesting measures to attract some of the income into creation of the social infrastructure, schools, health centers, etc. in rural areas. Full stop. This is the first initiative of its kind at government level to study an issue that has become linked with our economic well-being. Full stop. The remittances have now crossed the $2 billion mark, which is more than two-thirds of our earnings from exports. Full stop. If, on the one hand, they have helped solve the balance of payments difficulties, on the other, they have brought prosperity at the individual level. Full stop. Too much money has been injected into the national economy without a corresponding rise in production. Full stop. There are other problems too, a shortage of skilled personnel in various fields. Full stop.